Flynn on the deck because she loves to sail, especially in the dinghy. She thinks it's her own little boat. And she's super happy there. It's your thing, right? Yes, it is. What happened?
I don't know. Mr. Gibbs overcorrected again. I don't know why he does that.
Maybe he's drunk.
Probably.
Okay. Wild Cove. A passage appears on the chart between Cape Lahoon Island and the mainland. It is completely filled in by landscape, giving added protection to Wild Cove. Listen, the entrance is straightforward. It is protected from southwest swells and winds, although it is wide open to southeast and east. There's a wide sand beach. Did you hear that? A wide sand beach. This is awesome. It's really cool, that book. Oops. My big gloves, I can't really handle the book. That's the book. Yeah, that has a lot of awesome places where we can anchor.
We got some pretty good wind, favorable wind. It's been pretty fluky for a little while, but now we're getting a consistent 18 knots, kind of going up and down between 16 and 21, but 18's been pretty consistent. We got almost our whole Genoa out.
That's my favorite view when I'm down here and when we're sailing. It's like feeling you're in the water. You can see the waves. And sorry for the windows, they're not dirty. They actually need to be replaced. Can you just hold that for a sec? Yeah. Just gotta get rid of my hair.
Don't get rid of it, I like it.
Oh, sorry. I meant hair in the soup. Like whole
Okay.
dreadlocks in the soup, you know?
You can get that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, Flynn. I know you're excited. Everybody sit down and wait until the taxi driver comes. Wow. packload is parked out there, and we're like exploring. So beautiful here, like a little paradise. I wish we could stay longer, but we can't. There's a storm coming as always. We need a safe harbor for that. Pretty exhausting. I'm really hot now. I think I take a bath. We are leaving this beautiful place. It was, I think, the most stunning place we've ever been so far with the boat. And we actually don't want to leave, but we have to because another storm is coming. What else? We had 3 really gorgeous days, and now we're looking for a safe harbor to wait out the storm again. Goodbye, Sandy Beach. We will be back for another cold plunge in April or May.
We just departed Wild Cove, and it was wildly beautiful, I gotta say. Like, that place was amazing. And it's really unfortunate, as Judith said, to have to leave, but we gotta make some ground today and get to a safer place for this incoming gale that's coming. It'll be our 26th gale that we've had, or we've been on the boat for, I guess. I'm gonna try to make it to Hermitage. It's about a 38-mile run. So we got a little lucky today. It was supposed to be flat calm, which is great. And not a lot of wind. It's variable wind today, so we don't know what direction the wind's gonna come from, but we got a little wind that we can harness, and so we got a full 150 Genoa out. And if I could get the chimney off the stove, we'd put up the mainsail. But the chimney seems to be a little bit locked in.
Thank you guys for watching. Great you stayed till the end. If you want to support us, please subscribe to our channel and click the like button under the video.
Or you can also head over to svhakluyt.com/team and you can become part of our team there with a membership. Similar to Patreon, you can sign up to one of the archipelago islands and support our independent content creator platform and sign up and support us there.
Yeah, and the first 20 subscribers actually can win something. If you want to know what that is, head over to our platform and check it out. Thanks again, and bye-bye.